What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. I'm heading over to Mission Chinese. I guess it's like a Szechuan type cuisine over on Mott Street in Chinatown. I'm just ripping down the Lower East Side. I got the Chimera out. Beautiful day. Meeting up with some of my Instagram friends, NYC Food FOMO, the Dishland Guide, Jay, Margaret, Nina, Winnie. Should be a good time. Lots of food. I always love these kind of feasts. We just get like a bunch of stuff from the menu and go big, you know. This has been a nice weekend. I went out to the mini ride, formerly known as the Mega Ride, hosted by Booby BK and Jay Styles. Took the Chimera out, completed the whole group ride. There was a spot where we took like a 10-minute break and I switched batteries just to be safe. I probably could have made it through the whole ride, but then I might have had to pedal home from the ending spot, which is in Industry City. But you know, it was good that I had the second battery and, you know, zero range anxiety. It was very cool. We started at, I guess like Windsor Terrace, the corner of Prospect Park down there by Greenwood Cemetery. And from there we rode up, went out into, up into Williamsburg, Long Island City, Kosciuszko Bridge, a little bit of fun times, and then down into Brooklyn, finishing up in Industry City. And I took the bike home and went right back out for the evening ride on the Flex. And I was really tired because I did mix in a lot of pedaling on the Chimera. So you know, what I did was really just hang out at the start. They had a late start to the ride. I think they didn't start until like 9:30. I was so shot I just rode home. But good giveaways. These guys ran a nice event. Today's the last part of the Mega Ride, the last ride of the weekend. It's a 40-mile-an-hour Speed Boys ride. I don't think I can hang with that. But, you know, it's going to be a good time. Hoping to get some of those guys out for our next Zoos ride on August 10th. If you're in the area, come on out, especially if you've got a Zoos. We want to see you. We got some more great giveaways, great sponsors, generous sponsors. All right. Crossed over Catherine Street down by, coming up on St. James. I'm going to take a right at the end of this street, and this will put me right near the restaurant. I know I'm going to be a little bit early, so what I'm going to do is check out this speakeasy right next door. It's actually part of the it's part of the restaurant. It's just like detached and over one, you know, one building over, but it's there. They operate it. Same people as Mission Chinese. They operate it. It's called Basement. So I got to check that out. Always thought it looked cool from what I've seen and heard about it. Yeah, so this is like this is Mott Street, right at this cross corner here. So, and it goes the other direction. So I'm gonna go the opposite way of traffic for like, I don't know, not even half a block, maybe a block, and just bring it up onto the sidewalk. Let's see here. Wohop, great spot. All right, here it is, coming up. pull up over here, and I will see you on the inside. This is cool. What's up, Win? Oh, Nina.
Maybe they really used to it. The other thing we wanted to try was the Westlake lamb dumps. What do you guys want to try? You have to choose. If we're being choosy, you have to choose.
It's like a noodle soup.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, because it's in a tiny box.
Oh, for real? I was actually going to ask you what that fucking thing was. I didn't realize it was true.
Holy cow, look at that.
Looks like a beeper.
Big old Bertha's back, baby.
Fucking beeper.
You ready?
Yeah.
Higher?
That's fine. Wait, hold on. 1 second.
Woo!
That was so fucking
Lamb dumplings. And then what's this guy again?
Sesame noodles.
Oh, that's the cold noodle. That's the cold.
Back when people respected writing, you know?
Yeah, back in the day.
Yeah.
Now they just respect the photos and the videos.
Gotta look good.
Gotta look
On the
good.
reels, you know?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Let me get on there.
Oh yeah, scoop that shit.
Okay, baby.
Sorry, man. Thank you. You go ahead. You do what you gotta do. You're working here. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, the mapu came out
Slow
early.
it down.
Yeah. I think she was gonna course it out. She's, thank you.
You breaking shit?
I'm trying.
Oh my goodness. Oh, but there's no room.
I don't think that's. Is that ours?
That's the beef cheek?
Let's get this out.
And that's the thrice cooked bacon.
Thrice cooked, yeah.
You know that from the video you sent.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Yeah, break that cheek open. Spread those cheeks, Margaret.
Break the cheese. Good work.
Oh, shit. Keep going. Don't stop now.
No pressure, Margaret.
It's really good.
They're like Jeremy eating in the background.
I mean, that's the thing. If they have permits, they're good to go unless they're breaking a rule.
And they do have a permit, to be fair.
Lamb ribs. Those smell good.
Sizzle.
What's the sauce on there? A little bit of
Yogurt?
A little bit of goo.
A little bit of goo.
A little bit of goo. A little bit of goo.
Ready?
Well, that's a good one.
Whoa. I can feel the meat ready to fall off the bone. So tender. Wow, Mission Chinese. Everything we had was awesome. We got like 9 items. I think we got 9 items. They brought everything out at once. We asked them to like taste it out for us, course it out, but they were like, nope. I mean, they did say they were going to, but they just didn't. But we started with these wings. They're like a dry rub, 5-spice, some sort of seasoning on there. It was just incredible, so tasty. I wish we got more of those. Those were so fantastic. The dumplings and the wontons were just okay. One was lamb, one was pork and veg, I think. Cold sesame noodles were nice. Everything had a little nice spice to it. Chili oil, Szechuan, a little numbness, a little heat. The beef cheek and broccoli was awesome. The sweetness of the cheek and, you know, contrasted with the spices on there, just a perfect dish. Get around these people. What else? Lamb ribs, those were awesome. Those were real spicy. Cumin, little yogurt sauce on there. Fall off the bone, super tender. Then there was some like stir-fried, dry pot version of pastrami, spicy pastrami. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. Let me wait for this train to pass. All right, good enough. Yeah, that was awesome. It had like peanuts in it and a whole bunch of other like herbs, spices. That was a winner. Then also we did the thrice cooked bacon with rice cakes. That was so good. Man, everything was just awesome. Really, really awesome. The mapo tofu, probably the best version of that dish that I've ever had. Fantastic. Really, really great sauce. Just perfect. I highly recommend this place. I'm definitely gonna go back and try more. Gonna go back with the cake dealer. Gotta take her there. It's close to us. It's not far at all. You saw how quick it was to ride there. So yeah, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. The full write-up, the full review, all the photos, everything. And as usual, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your fucking grandma.